Truth gang gang. I am Mama Omega, and I'm always bringing that truth. Today I am reading to you the readings that we have on sale until the 18th. This is a major reading sale. We have $50 readings. Of course, the early bird special is always available as long as you book it before noon Central Standard Time. We have that for you for $50 even. The love readings are on sale, $50. Past life reading on sale, $50. Dark mirrors, shadow self reading on sale for $50. The word of truth oracle for $50. If it is not listed as $50, then it is half off the original price for the full service list that I offer. So the specialty readings such as mediumships, ORISHA, Loa, or deity readings, those readings you want to scroll to the bottom of the description bar if you are on YouTube to access a list of the full services offered, and then you'll just take half off that price. And then if you are on Facebook, make sure that you head to the Man Omega business page, all right? So make sure you check out the services tab, and then you can take half off of that price. These prices will be available to you guys until Monday the 18th. All right, so we have the $50 reading sale as well as the specialty readings being half off, okay? Also, we have going on this week, which is the Circle of Protection ritual, and this is going to take place on Saturday the 16th. This is the offering ceremony. We did get to do the prayer last Saturday, so this weekend we'll be doing the offering ceremony. If you guys would like to get into that ritual, that circle of protection, that is $15.15. All right, so I just want to take a moment to advertise this and also thank you all for all of your love and support and your loyalty. Okay, you guys would like to participate in the $50 reading sale or the half off the specialty readings. All payments are accepted via Cash App, PayPal, and Venmo. Hit your girl up. I love you so much. Ashe, ashe, ashe. I'll see you soon.